Hey there everyone. I wanted to take a moment to apologize for not posting regular, although, truth to be told, I struggle sometimes with the idea of apologizing, as life's been a whirlwind, balancing a full-time job and navigating everything that is going on in the world right now. I sometimes question the relevance of sharing my journey. However, I come to realize that these vlogs serve as an escape for many, offering entertainment, relaxation, or inspiration. Filming and editing these videos serves as my own outlet as well. It's like a therapeutic escape. So here I am, thrilled to be back. A big shout out and thank you to everyone who's watching. And also to everyone who watched my last videos. Maybe you've noticed I decided to elevate the content and infusing a cinematic touch, because let's face it, turning my day-to-day into a movie not only delights me but also helps me find beauty in the little things. Hope you enjoy the new cinematic vibe. Definitely let me know down in the comments. I didn't do one of these like get ready with me videos in a while, so I thought, today's the day. And also I have some new products that I would like to share, which I'm loving at the moment. And also when it comes to just getting ready and makeup and just basically my look in general, I've gotten more and more natural. That also in relation with just more and more liking myself and liking my features, and just don't want to cover up everything anymore. So you basically will see with the products that I'm using, it's all quite minimal. I really stripped down a lot of my makeup routine, so really not using a lot of products anymore. Same for hair care and just skincare in general. So of course the first thing that we always gonna put on is sunscreen, and I'm using a new sunscreen. It's still a Korean sunscreen, but it's the Madagascar Centella one, and this is the Hyaluronic Water Fit Sun Serum SPF 50. But yeah, I really like it because this texture is even better than the Beauty of Joseon one, which I used before. So this one is really light, and I use about 3 pumps. It's so moisturizing and just sinks into the skin, but doesn't leave your skin greasy, which I like. I really don't like those greasy sunscreens anymore. I cannot deal with that. Also in terms of reapplying sunscreen in the summer, it's just so much easier when you just have a more lighter texture to reapply it, and also that you're not so greasy and just gross. Then I'm still using this one. So this is a tinted sunscreen. It's the Isntree Gem Root Milk Tone Up Sunscreen, also SPF 50. And it's just nice because it gives a little bit of coverage, but not too much, and it's really just giving your skin a nice even tone. My skin is naturally quite red, so it has a quite red undertone, so this kind of balances it out. So yeah, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's way more even and just a little bit of coverage. And next thing is brows. I just love doing my brows. It makes just such a difference. And I'm using still the Gosh Brow Lift Lamination Gel. I never really see anyone talking about this because this is the best brow gel. I know a lot of people always say I found the best brow gel, and there are a lot of different companies. Also here from Refi, the brand that I also have a lot of products from. But I have to say, I love a lot of the Refi products, but the brow gel is not it. Not for me, at least. Maybe it's my brows that it's just not working, but for a lot of brow gels I just have that it gets flaky, or that it just doesn't hold up the whole day, and I'm not someone who wants to reapply products throughout the day. So for me it just has to hold up the whole day when I apply it. But yeah, it really makes just such a difference to just do my brows. I really hate mascara. I really hate mascara. It's just really something I will never gonna wear ever again. It's a lot of hassle. I don't like the look of it anymore. I really love my lashes just natural. I love to touch my eyes as well. You know, if I have something in my eye or just if it's itchy, you know, don't have to think, oh, I'm gonna smear my mascara everywhere. So I saw this trick on TikTok actually to put Vaseline on your lashes and then curl them, and it really works. So that's what I'm doing like every day now for the last couple months. So basically really just a little bit of Vaseline, and I don't know what the magic is about it, but it just really works. And then you basically take your eyelash curler and just start curling, and the curl will really hold up the whole day. And you see how nice that looks already? My lashes are really not that easy to curl, but with the Vaseline it's just so easy. It's crazy. It just looks so good. I don't even need any mascara or anything, and it will just look like this the whole day. So I'm really happy with this little tip. So now that our brows are a little bit more dry, I will basically groom them now and just put them in place. So what I always do is in the front I kind of do them more straight, and then whilst I go to the end I just go with the curve of the brow, and then yeah, you really press it onto the skin. Yeah, so now my brows are basically in place. And then what I will do is just fill in basically these spaces where I miss a few hairs. But yeah, how are you guys doing? I mean, it's been crazy times again. I'm being so busy just with work and everything, and also this year, I don't know, the beginning of the year was a little bit strange for some reason. Just didn't feel real, all of it. Everything that was happening in the world, and just, you know, finding your place in it again, and just finding basically your purpose this year or where you want to go was really quite hard. But now I feel like really grounded again and really happy and excited to what's to come. So basically we gonna move this year for sure. So we want to rent a house, and preferably more in the south of Spain. But yeah, we will see where we end up. It's basically depending on where we find a house that is like up to our standards. And of course the one that we can also afford. But yeah, we're just gonna have a little look in which areas. We will see where we end up. And then yeah, I really enjoy making now more of this like cinematic content and just play around with editing more. I just really have a lot of joy in that, and just fulfilling, getting fulfilling out of this. But yeah, I really love it. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about it. But yeah, I really enjoy the new way. I always, like every year I have this feeling, oh, I just want to do more and just learn more and just evolve basically with my content. And then there is one last new product that I really love. It is the Manassi 7 all over color. This is like a really nice product. It is like a creamy product, so it has like a really creamy texture, and this color is so beautiful. And you can use this as a blush, you can use this as, you know, just lipsticks or just on your lips. So I'm using it just now on my lips, and it's so pigmented, it's crazy. So you also see how much product is in here. You will have this for a while. I mean, it's not the cheapest but I think it's really worth it to have a product that you can just really put anywhere you want. What I also like is that you can just do it subtle, just like this, or you can build it up to be like, you know, more for like an evening look. And then what I do just a little bit is go a little bit on my cheeks, but really, really subtle, because you see how pigmented this is. So just to kind of that the color comes back on my face, and just to get a little bit of freshness on the cheeks. So yeah, this is me done actually. So really not a lot of products, really natural, but I think you can still see a difference from before and after. And I just love the really fresh, natural look. Just not too much products on your face. I'm really going more and more back and, you know, stripping back all of the products that I'm using. I also love my hair at the moment, just naturally. I just always let it air dry and just do its thing. And yeah, just in general, just a nice natural spring look, spring summer look. I think this will be also my summer look. Maybe I get a little bit of a highlighter still from Menassi 7. I'm all ready for spring.